Okay, so there's a little bit more rock art here. Okay, you can get down low and have a look, and there's serpent shapes, there's humanoid shapes, more of those concentric circles joined by parallel lines. You know that the Ananu, they came to Uluru, so those 4 language groups, they all came in and they had ceremony here. They didn't live here. They didn't. People say, why didn't they live in that cave? Why didn't they just exist and stay put? It's because there was no permanent water here. And also this area is a ceremonial place rather than a place of dwelling. They were used to living out on the plains, moving between their water sources and moving between their food sources and hunting. So they never stayed in one place for very long, but they did have certain places